Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how we can collaborate on Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and if we want to collaborate on our friend's Instagram story, we have to be tagged or mentioned in our friend's Instagram story. And after we have been tagged or mentioned, we will get the notification on our Instagram direct message. So we have to go to the Instagram direct message, and as you can see guys, this is the account who mentioned me in a story. I'm just going to click on it. Then we can click on add to your story to share the story to our Instagram, and you can click on the photo or the image like this to get the full screen, and just click on this your story to share the story to your Instagram. But before you share the story, you can add sticker, text, or maybe music. And once you're ready to share the story, you can click on your story. And now the story is being uploaded to my Instagram, and I'm just going to check it, guys. Okay, it's still loading. Wait, guys. I'm going to go back first and then go to my story. Okay, and here we can see the collaboration. This is my friend's account and this is my account. Alright guys, and that's how we can collaborate on Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.